Hollywood Honey by Forever Young. Lots and lots of fantastic beachy waves, a lot of natural sunlight here, and I think she's performing really well. So if you want a bit of glam on a budget, I think I paid about $45 for this. Well, I don't think you can go wrong. What do you think? And she makes me feel very young. And this is Hollywood Honey, and she's in the colour 24B613. Another budget wig with a skin top as well. Have a look in there. So here she is, Hollywood Honey. Beautiful, fantastic beachy wave. But as you can see, I've put a hairband on her because she is a budget wig, and I think the hairband elevates her to the next level in wigs. So instead of paying $150 or about $350 for a lace front wig, you can pay about $45, pop a hairband on, or a beanie or a hat, and have the same look. I think pretty good. And here's her bangs, but I think they look pretty natural. You can do an ear tuck. A great budget wig. Have a closer look at the bangs there. Beautiful colour, not too shiny. Great. A very simple cap construction, open wefting, a little bit of an extended nape, which is great on a budget wig, and it has a skin top which comes around here.